Hi everyone, my name is Alif Masron. I was a KTJ Class of 22. I'm currently studying at Columbia University, majoring in economics and political science. How am I finding the course so far? I think economics and political science have been predictable. Like, I know what I was going to expect from it. I've enjoyed learning about the core curriculum here at Columbia, from reading books in contemporary civilization, Hobbes and Rousseau, from last semester learning about literature humanities. Yeah, so far it's been awesome. My top tip for university life is to make sure you schedule your fun as well. You're always going to schedule your academics, schedule all those fun things, find those free deals and options you can find on campus and outside of campus.
Continue doing the things that you love through clubs and organizations. I've enjoyed singing in a cappella on campus in the tree lighting ceremony. I've continued playing water polo. It's been such a great time, having a group of people that enjoy the same things as you, and you'll have fun.
In preparing for the university application season, I would say to do a lot of research on the university that you're applying to. If not, just reach out to one of your seniors who are currently studying the university. I know it's going to be a very hard process. It's going to be worth it. Hope to see more of you guys in the States.